Aliens. Are they real? I may or may not have proof of alien life on another planet by a company called Thekapco. Let's open our package from our extraterrestrial friends. They send us so much cool stuff. I love alien stuff. You guys know I like alien stuff. Come on, man. They're out there. We have a desk mat. There's no hiding this one. I'd like to think that if aliens were real, that this is what they'd be having to work with up there. And then one more thing, a keyboard. They're really cool, man. So they make keycap sets and they make like accessories. They hire independent artists. It's real people making real cool stuff by hand, and I love that. So I always support that. Let's move queen thickness out of the way. All right. Boom. What does it say? I forgot. Same shit, different day. Dude, this is a new main mouse pad. This is gonna be in every tech review. Do you think they'll be mad if they're shit? It says RipnDip. That's hilarious. Look at that little nugget. Thekapco. It's nice and it's actually like really like squishy. And it's got a nice embroidered edge. All right, next up we have the Thekapco keyboard. Let's see what we got to work with here. Wow. Oh yeah, the keycap and the keyboard separate. I've never had that before. I'll take it because that's their thing. Okay, so there's a quick start guide, and then I guess there's a clock too, so that's cool. We have a USB cable that is braided, a little short, but that'll still get me there. And then we get a little screwdriver. I like when we get little screwdriver with the keyboard. It's my favorite. Cool. And a keycap and switch puller, and it's branded. Good job. I hate when they use the default ones that don't have anything on it. Like, come on, bro. Let's take out our child. There she is, man. That ain't bad at all. You got a knob, and you can twist it. You got a little screen there, plastic, no logo or anything. And then you have your mode switch, 2.4 cabled, and Bluetooth. You have your Windows and Mac switch, and you have your Type-C port, and it's wireless. Dongle, little slot for it, and there's a mirror on the back. It's got rubber feet. It's got 5 of them. I like when they add the little extra middle one down at the bottom. A little stability. Hey, that's a little shinier. All right. It says Thekapco on it. Thekapco mechanical keyboard, Play 1800. This got Gateron G Pro yellow switches. I love Gaterons, that's amazing. It's got south facing RGB, hot swappable 5-pin switches, and a 3000 mAh battery. Gateron switches, I love them Gaterons. Let's take a listen. Oh my god, it's silent. It's so quiet. Set that off over here. Take a look at our butt pad. This is something I just unironically use like all the time. Oh yeah, dude. Demonetize. Oh, so squishy. It's RipnDip. It says RipnDip up there on the UFO. It's got some of this stuff in the back. Oh, look at the back. Look at how heavy that is, dude. He's just walking around with all that. God dang. I'm sorry. Like I said, very unlikely that this video is monetized. This is the alien keycap set. It's alien theme. Couldn't you tell? That's what's going on here. I'm wearing a tinfoil hat. It's hot. Can I take it off? No, I'm leaving it on for the whole video. Oh, it's got like little tray for it. That's so scary. Look at the little, look at the numbers. And the number 1 is a middle finger. Oh, that's so good. I don't even know where all the keys go, so this is gonna be hard. Okay, and then it comes with its own keycap and switch puller, also with the Thekapco branding on it. So you got your F1s through your F10s. You got your escape, I think, is the moon, and then you have your numbers, and then you have your QWERTY, enter, shift, caps lock, stuff like that. Space bar. Wow, that's so cool. This is gonna take so long. I can do it. I believe. If I can believe in aliens, I believe in myself to put these keycaps on. Now we have a complete keyboard. That was pretty cool. That was definitely an experience. I won't pretend like I know where all the keycaps went. I had to look at a picture, so. But hey, that's pretty clean, bro. This is probably the coolest keycap, like art period I've ever seen. There's just so many little nuggets in each one. You know, it says "we out here" with a little UFO. This got this guy and his little tongue extending down the keycaps. There's a little moon keycap here. And then this guy, he's, you know, using the restroom. And then this guy has an umbrella. So it kind of connects. I think it's really cool. We're gonna plug it in and look at the lighting, and then we'll do a sound test. And then let's run some game on the alien setup. What can I say, man? We gotta do it. Does it work? Oh, RGB so clean. All right, I love it. It's so cute. And it's got a little clock. It's got your number lock and caps lock and all that little indicators there. It's got a date, your charge percentage. Okay, let's do a sound test. Wow, I love it. I love quiet keyboards. Okay, now it's dim. Now it's max. Cool. To change the effect, that might be all of them, I think. Oh, they got all the good ones like Yunzi. Cool. Okay, so we got all the lighting figured out. Sounds very quiet. RGB could be a little brighter, but not too bad, not too shabby. Love those Gateron switches, and the fact that they're silent just feels so good. It's so good. I don't know. This might be my favorite keyboard of all time, and it's just because I love aliens, but also because the art is just like, even if I wasn't into tech at all, I'd be like, yo, let me get that. Like, even if I didn't have a desk, I'd be like, I want that alien mouse pad. Oh. Okay, so you saw the lighting, you saw the keycap, you heard it. Now we're just gonna play some game on it, and it's gonna be great. I'll see you on the battleground. Oh, Marvel Rifle, let's go!
On and done this time. At last, our enemies show themselves.
I'm scared.
Sacred steel.
Oh my god. I'm cooking him! Whoa! Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, that's crazy! Hey, where you going, bro? Oh my god. I don't even know what's happening there, bro. Hey. Woo! What's up, Iron Man? What's up, Iron Man? Oh, I forgot I have a shield. I should probably use that. Do we win? Let's go. Okay, one more round. Too easy. Alien keyboard on my side. I can win any game, especially flying.
At last, our enemies show themselves.
Come on, let me get him off. No, not like that, bro. I don't know how to do it. I can't lie. I'm so confused. Come here, buddy. I will cook you, Captain America. Woo! Come on, buddy. Did he just fall down? Get cooked, Storm. Oh my god, wait, I'm the one that's getting cooked. No! She's literally won! Somebody, please! Are you winning, son?
My soul is not yours to claim.
Ah! They're not winning, right? Come on! Oh, we gotta lock in. We actually have to lock in right now. Oh, we're actually losing. This isn't funny anymore.
Mission area is yours to capture now.
Whoa, what's this Captain America want with me, bro? Back up.
Mission area is yours.
I've got you covered. Be proud of what you did here.
Without Spider-Man, New York has lost its heart.
Did you think I forgot about you, Ultron? We gotta play more offense in this. Can't let him just walk up this far. Dink, 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 dink. Oh! Who hit me? Oh, Rez, let's go. Big Rez, big Rez. That's huge.
Soup for the win! But her dragon squid is a tasty treat. Go, Doreen Green, everybody!
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
No applause? Supernova!
No worries. I've got your back.
I saw one of these on the beach in Jersey once.
Shields up.
I rock.
I'm finally here.
Day at the spa. Count on me.
Those guys are about to shoot at us.
Feel the...
That was a total blindside.
Feel the rap!
Gary's almost yours.
Done. Remind me never to go swimming again.
Is there somebody trying to punch me right here?
My successes make you proud.
That's what happens when you threaten my brother.
Nah. We ain't doing that. We ain't losing today! No, sir, we are not! Ow. You know what I mean? Imagine, I was just instantly, like, different. 37 kills, and I was MVP, bro. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, that was the Thekapco. They have some crazy, just funny stuff. I love it so much. They got some personality over there. They hire real artists. Alien, you know I like Alien. Got Alien rug. If you like Alien, smash like, subscribe, check link in description. Pretty cheap stuff. Get some keycaps for yourself. Treat yourself. You freaking deserve it. Especially after watching one of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, Thekapco. You guys are awesome, man. RipnDip. I love this, dude. It's so freaking cute. So, like I said, click link, keyboard review playlist. I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Keyboard man out. See you guys later.